In this deposit photos review, I'm going to be showing you a product that can give you access to over 270 million plus royalty free images, and you can generate AI images to boost your content. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you a complete tutorial on deposit photos. So this is what deposit photos is gonna look like after you purchase it. I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial about deposit photos later in this video. Now let's get back to AppSumo. So it's written here, but it's a powerful new AI image generator. So you can create these AI image using an AI generator. And it is best for graphic designers, marketing agencies, small businesses, and it is an alternative to Shutterstock. So it's written here, generate images with AI. Then you can bring your image ideas to life in seconds. So all you have to do is just type in the keyword and you can get the images or vector or anything of your choice. It gives you access to over 270 million royalty free images and vector graphics. And you can follow those artists and get notified. So every time if you follow these artists, you'll get notified every time they upload a new image or videos. So this is like a screenshot that they have given, and you can search for images using visual references as well. Then you can create collections of your favorite photos. You can access free image editing tools. Then you can remove the background of photos or videos, which I'm going to be showing you later in the video. You can increase your images up to twice the size. This is something I'm also going to be showing you later in the video. And these are some of the plans and features. You can have a look at them. And also they give a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this product, you can give it back to them within 60 days. So you can try, use it, and if you don't like it, you can give it back to them. And there is a pricing right over here. There is single, there is double, and multiple. So these are some of the features, and there is also more codes. There is up to 10 codes. You can buy them based on your needs. So what's suitable for you, you can buy them based on your needs. Now let's jump into the tutorial of deposit photos. As you can see, this is what you're gonna what you can expect after you purchase deposit photos. So there is an AI image generator. Let me show you how it works. So you're redirected to this page. As you can see, I have already used up my token. So I'm sorry about it, but you can describe what you want here and you can generate the image. You can generate whatever you want. Now let's go back. And there is a free background remover as well. So let me press that. So it removes the background of your images. Let me show you an example. So let me press this. So let's remove the background of this image right over here. Let's see. As you can see, the background has been removed and you can download by pressing this button over here. Now let's go back. And we have this free image upscaler. Let's press on that. So what it does, it upscales your image. Let's upload an image. Let's put this image. As you can see, the image has been generated. So the original was only 951 into 951, but now it's 1902 into 1902. The image quality has definitely been increased. Now you can download the image from here if you want to. Now let's go back to the main page. Now they have this option of reverse image search. Let's have a look at it. Basically it is gonna be an image that is similar to the one I upload. So the product is going to be similar to the so as you can see, the product has made me similar photos to what I have uploaded, which is pretty great. Now let's go back. Now there is refer and earn. Now comes logo maker. Let's have a look at it. So let me press start creating. So they are asking me a business name. I'm going to type Eco Glam. They're asking me what industry I am. Fashion. Let's say fashion. So I'm typing in fashion. So let's go. And they're asking me a tagline. So I'm gonna type in best women's wear. So now they're asking me to choose some popular icon. Let's just say fashion, clothing, dress, jeans. Next. Where will you put your logo? I'll put them in my website or social media. Now they are generating the logos. As you can see, they have made some amazing logos. So if you like this one, you can just press on it and you can customize the logo. So you can change this icon if you want. Maybe you can add this. You can do all that. You can also change the text of Eco Glam, and you can also change this text. You can also change the background color as well. Now let's get back. Now they have this free video background remover. So all you have to do is upload the image or video. The video might take a lot of time, so I'm not going to be demonstrating in this video. But if you upload your video right here, you can definitely remove the background. Now let's get back product. And also if you press here, you can find a lot of images, vectors, illustrations, collections, and free pictures. If you click on photos, you can get access to any kind of photos that you want. For example, I'm going to type in gaming. So let me search. So as you can see, they have made a lot of photos regarding gaming. As you can see, they have made some beautiful images. Now in case if you want videos, you can press on the videos and they will give you these amazing videos of gaming. They also give music, sound effects, and AI generator, as I've mentioned before. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Depositphotos. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.